Sanibel may be best known for its beaches, but its roots are in conservation. After recent hurricanes took so much of that away, the city says a new plan will plant roots, literally, again. I'm your Sanibel community correspondent, Austin Chagarodsky. I work here every day, so I know how much this means to my community. So I came to see what they think about the plan. First impressions matter, and on Sanibel, the greenery, like a tree canopy, is the first thing you would see.
The canopy used to be just so inviting and enchanting when you drove out here.
Jeff Wheeler lives on the island and said losing that foliage to Ian hit him hard. But now, the city is working to bring it back. This is what Causeway Boulevard looks like today, and this is what it will look like soon, with native trees and vegetation lining the road.
For visitors, when they come on, they're going to say, wow, this is Sanibel. And then we're going to continue on year after year after year on planning the public spaces, regreening the public spaces, and making it as attractive as we possibly can.
The plan is called Roots and Resilience. City Councilman John Henshaw says the goal is to plant 50 large trees and native vegetation every year for the next 50 years all over the island.
It preserves our water quality, it preserves our habitat, and just makes Sanibel more attractive. It's the principles upon which it was founded in respect to conservation, preserving wildlife, living in harmony with wildlife.
People I talked to around the island say they're excited about it.
This effort is bringing like big trees in, and it's going to be the entrance coming onto the island, which is very meaningful to us and to our visitors.
Just looking forward to everything growing again, not only the foliage, but the island, and bringing the people back.
Henshaw says money for the project will come from donations, fundraisers, and grants. Planting along Causeway Boulevard is expected to start in May. Reporting on Sanibel, I'm Austin Chagarodsky, Fox 4 News.